Welcome to the Humane Animal Welfare Society's edition of Jeo-paw-dy. Today's category is Wisconsin wildlife. So let's get ready to learn a little something about our native Wisconsin wildlife. The first one is, deer can jump a barrier that is this high. The answer, what is 6 feet? Now, if you don't want deer in your flower garden, marigolds, zinnias, and snapdragons are plants that deer don't like, and they're a great choice if you want deer to avoid your flowers. This mother comes to feed her babies twice a day and leaves them alone for the rest of the time. This one has actually two different answers. What is a white-tailed deer, or what is a cottontail rabbit? So, mom rabbits and mom deer only come to feed their babies twice a day, about 12 hours apart. The rest of the time the babies are left alone. It's a way to prevent predators to know where the defenseless babies are. The problem is that sometimes people come across these fawns or baby rabbits and they think they're abandoned and they bring them into haws. But you really need to leave baby animals alone because otherwise the mom will come back and find her babies missing. These items can get stuck on the head of an animal like a raccoon or skunk, causing the potential for injury or death. What is a can, jar, or container? Make sure you're rinsing your containers out and placing them in the recycling bin. We want to make sure we're not causing an animal to suffer because of human carelessness. This threatened species of animal is common throughout North America in the summer. Although adults have many food sources, the young eat only milkweed. What is a monarch butterfly? These animals amazingly migrate to central Mexico each fall, and they return from Mexico each spring. What an amazing feat for a butterfly. This common land-dwelling amphibian is a carnivore that absorbs water through the skin rather than drinking it. What is an American toad? A toad's tadpoles are herbivores. They graze on vegetation until they transform enough to start eating insects. This bird has distinctive two color markings. However, the young are all brown until they're about 3 or 4 years of age. What is a bald eagle? Bald eagle nests are incredibly large and they are added to each year. The nest of a bald eagle can grow to be 13 feet deep and 8 feet wide. This state fish of Wisconsin is a predator that will eat not only other fish in its environment, but also muskrats, frogs, or ducks. What is a muskie? Muskies can eat prey that is 2/3 their body length due to their large stomachs. Muskies can grow to be as long as 4 feet long. This small mammal can consume up to 1,000 mosquitoes in an hour. What is a little brown bat? Little brown bats can live up to 40 years, and they live in colonies of hundreds or even thousands of individuals. At 5 feet, this is the tallest bird in North America. It almost went extinct when in 1941 there were only 21 of them left. What is a whooping crane? The International Crane Foundation has worked hard to repopulate whooping cranes by raising them by hand and teaching them to migrate by following an ultralight plane. Unfortunately, they are still endangered with only about 840 of them in existence. This semi-aquatic mammal is the second largest rodent in the world, averaging 40 to 50 pounds. What is a beaver? Beavers live in family groups. They build dams to create a pond, which helps to protect against predators. Thank you for joining the Humane Animal Welfare Society today in playing Jeo-paw-dy. We hope you had a great time and maybe you even learned a little something. Have a great rest of your day.